This is another video of my Sony receiver, model STR-7035. I opened it up and I replaced all the capacitors of the tuner because the tuner wasn't working. For some reason it had no reception, and well, but now it has a great reception again, as you can see. And I also changed the speakers. You know, it used to be hooked up to a pair of dual speakers. Now it's hooked up to a pair of old 1960s Dynatron speakers. As you can hear, I have the muting feature switched on. If I switch it off, you can hear everything if I switch that off. Now
here we have the microphone mixing knob, the function knob, and tape monitor, mono and muting switches, the tone control, loudness, high filter, speaker selector, headphone output, power switch, and volume and balance regulators, and the tuning knob.
Now for some reason, well, I don't know why, maybe it has some more bad capacitors, but for some reason this receiver sounds not that good. As you can see on the tone control, I can demonstrate that. Now I don't know if you can hear it with the silly camera microphone, but if I put the treble on the 0 position, it sounds horrible. For some reason, well, this receiver, since I have it, it sounds not that good. I don't know why, but well, it is a nice receiver. It looks really nice, but well, it doesn't sound that good. This is the back side of the Sony receiver. You can see here the antenna inputs, the inputs for phono, aux, tape 1, in and out, and the DIN jack, and tape 2, in and out, and the speaker outputs. And you can see I put these DIN jacks onto these screws, so if I want to change the speakers I don't have to, well, take a screwdriver, and well, it's easier with this one, these DIN jacks. The speaker outputs for B, the voltage selector. I selected 240 volts, and here the AC input, and here it has this label,
Sony FM stereo FM AM receiver, model number STR-7035. Serial number 501179, made in Japan.
This is the inside of the Sony receiver. You can see the transformer here, the speaker outputs, for A and B. Here is the voltage selector, a circuit board with fuses, the circuit board of the preamplifier, and the tuner. You can see I replaced all the capacitors of the tuner. You can see some of the new capacitors are smaller than the old ones, this one for example. And this is the circuit board of the main amplifier. And here we have the camera light, and now you can see, put away these wires, and you can see this is the integrated circuit made by Sony, and the other integrated circuit is behind this shield plate. You can see the connections here, and the volume and balance regulators, the meter, and the dial. It contains a big flywheel, very nice. Behind there you can see camera light, okay, the input jacks. This is the circuit board of the DIN jack. Some other inputs here, and the antenna inputs are here. The internal antenna. This is a really nice receiver.